Vacuum sealers are kitchen appliances that remove air from bags or containers, creating an airtight seal that preserves food freshness for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. This not only prevents freezer burn and spoilage, but also preserves nutrients, flavors, and aromas. The links of these vacuum sealers are mentioned in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and videos. Number 5. Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro is a powerful and versatile vacuum sealer that's perfect for sous vide cooking, food storage, and marinade preparation. It features a strong double sealer, built-in bag storage and cutter, an accessory port for sealing containers, and the ability to seal wet foods without worry. Extends the shelf life of food by up to 5 times. Prevents freezer burn and spoilage. Preserves nutrients, flavors, and aromas. Makes sous vide cooking easier and more efficient. Perfect for sealing meat, fish, vegetables, and other foods. Ideal for marinating meats and vegetables. Versatile for sealing bags and containers. Number 4. FoodSaver FM 5000 200 2-in-1 Automatic Vacuum Sealer. This sealer machine is a versatile and user-friendly appliance that can help you keep food fresh up to 5x longer compared to ordinary storage methods. It features a powerful suction pump, multiple sealing modes, and a convenient express bag maker. 2-in-1 design with automatic bag making and handheld sealer. Express bag maker reduces bag making steps by 50%. Powerful suction pump removes air quickly and efficiently. Multiple sealing modes for dry, moist, and delicate foods. Easy-to-use control panel with LED lights who want to extend the life of their food and save money. It is easy to use, powerful, and versatile, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer. This sealer is a versatile and user-friendly vacuum sealer that is perfect for home cooks and those who want to extend the life of their food. It has a powerful 130-watt pump that removes air quickly and effectively, and it offers 3 sealing modes: dry, moist, and double. The double seal mode is ideal for sealing liquid-based or delicate foods. The VS12 also has a built-in bag cutter and a viewing window so you can see the bag as you are sealing it. This sealer is very versatile and can be used to store a variety of foods, including meats, fruits, vegetables, and leftovers. It can also be used to seal dry goods, such as grains, nuts, and coffee beans. Overall, the Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer is a great option for anyone who wants to extend the shelf life of their food and reduce food waste. It is easy to use, affordable, and effective, making it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. Number 2. Mueller Austria Vacuum Sealer. The Mueller Austria Vacuum Sealer is a great option for those who want to preserve their food for longer periods of time. It has a powerful suction pump that removes air from bags or containers, creating an airtight seal that helps to prevent freezer burn and spoilage. The sealer also has 2 sealing modes: dry and moist, so you could seal a variety of foods. Benefits of using the Mueller Austria Vacuum Sealer: preserves food for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. Prevents freezer burn and spoilage. Helps to retain nutrients, flavors, and aromas. Saves money by reducing food waste. Makes meal prep and planning easier. Great for storing leftovers, meats, seafood, and more. Number 1. Fresko Pro Vacuum Sealer V9 Operating. This is a fully automatic vacuum sealer that is easy to use and has a variety of features. It is perfect for sealing food for storage, sous vide cooking, and more. Place the bag in the vacuum chamber. Make sure the bag is flat and there are no wrinkles or creases. The bag should also be long enough to fit the food you are sealing. Select the desired sealing mode. There are 3 sealing modes: dry, moist, and external. Press the start button. The vacuum sealer will start to remove air from the bag. The progress bar on the front of the machine will show you how much air has been removed. Once the bag is fully sealed, the vacuum sealer will automatically stop. The vacuum sealer will beep to let you know that the sealing process is complete. Open the lid and remove the sealed bag. The vacuum sealer should be cleaned after each use. To clean the vacuum sealer, wipe it down with a damp cloth. Do not use abrasive cleaners or immerse the vacuum sealer in water. Investing in a good vacuum sealer can save you money in the long run by reducing food waste and extending the shelf life of your favorite ingredients. With so many excellent options available, you're sure to find the perfect vacuum sealer for your kitchen. Thanks for watching.